Hi, Chevy, 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 Chevy. Oh yeah, Kool-Aid man. Yeah. Off on an adventure. Let's go. Oh yeah, boys. Should probably film like this, huh? Oops. I'm sure it's fine. Alright. Going on the backyard, boys. Going on the backyard, boys. What the? Why is the street so empty? Oh, hello, hello. Where's everybody? It's a zombie apocalypse. I freaking knew it. I freaking knew it, guys. It's happening sooner than we expected. Oh yeah. Alright, you guys gotta see this. Look at this. You see all this? You see these little things? Baby grapes. Soon enough, these boys will be all fully grown. And I'm gonna come here and get drunk on grapes. Huh? Alright. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go this way, go around that way, I'm gonna follow the wash. Comes around over there, because that's cool. So let's go. I'm gonna go down this. Oh my gosh, I'm Superman. Oh crap, there are people up there. I need a stick and I need dirt so I can draw a map of where I'm going. I'm gonna go that way, then I'm gonna go that way, then I'm gonna go like that way more. I'm gonna come back this way and then I'm gonna go up. Yeah. There's a squirrel. There's a squirrel. There's a squirrel in there. I know it. I just know it, man. Okay, look up there. You see that big old bridge right there? Yeah, so I'm gonna go up over where those trees are. And then I'm gonna go that way a little bit. And I'm gonna get to another park. Because right now, we over here. We're in the way corner. So yeah, I'm gonna go over there. Because that park's cooler. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Alright. Time to play Frogger. Alright, ready? Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Oh crap. Oh crap. Ah, we're good. We're good. I made it to the other side. Alright, let's go up there. Go, go, go! Oh, look at the squirrel. I don't think I've ever actually been down that street. And I kind of want to see what's over there, but at the same time, I'm going to get kidnapped, so I'm not going to go that way. Instead, I'm going to go that way to the nice gated park. Well, turns out that park doesn't like bikes and won't allow them in. And instead of breaking the law, I'm just going to go to a park where I know they allow bikes, which is down that sketchy freaking road and a little over in that direction over there. So that's what I'm going to go do. Bug in the mouth. Dang. Freaking. Alright. Taking a water break. Been biking for... I'm not going to tell you how long I've been biking for because that's kind of lame. Alright, I'm going to put you down. Yeah. Alright. Let's break out the water, guys. Oh! Dang. You guys want some squirt squirt? Alright, so water break's done. Hold on, I'm about to drop. Oh, okay. No. We're good, we're good. Stop, don't fall, guys. Okay, we're gonna go that way, somewhere. And we're gonna not die. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go, guys, let's go. Yo, no hands. I'm holding the camera and you can see my other hand. Oh, crap. Alright, don't do that anymore. No more of that. Alright, let's go. Hyper speed, guys, hyper speed. See that? I'm going 13 miles an hour. Yo. Hype car. What? Alright, this is the park. Alright, gotta go this way. Yo, tell me why it smells like eggs over here. Oh my gosh, there's a whole squirrel. There are two of them. Oh my gosh, look at how freaking big they are. Look at them big boys. Hey, big boy, come here. Hey, come here, big boy. Hey, come here. I'm sorry. You guys have fun. Okay, so I'm gonna go over there. Alright, look at this. Look at the birds. Look at the ducky. Look at the duckies and the birdies. What the frick? It's okay. It's okay. Aww. I don't know where I am. I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm going down this creepy path. I think this is the right way, though. Oh, yeah, we're good. Never mind. We're good. Alright, bye, park. We're leaving. Here we go. Wow. Yeah. Where am I going now? I think I'm gonna stop here for a second. Where am I going? I'm gonna go, well, I could do two things. I could go back the way I just came and go all the way back, or I could keep going this way and go all the way around the train tracks. That could be cool, because then we could go to the mission. Okay, you know what? Alright. Here we are. Le Tointoir. I do have to get over there, though. Let's do it. Slow down. Alright, anyway. Let's go. Full street. Oh, I'm flying, boys. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Slow down. Slow down. Oh my gosh. Oh. Smacked in the freaking. Thanks, Bush. Alright, let's keep going. Speed up. I mean, what? Oh, shoot. Slow down, man. Slow down. Oh, wait, hold on. There might be a car right. Alright, we're good. Oh my goodness. Oh. Whoa. Okay, we're good. Oh, freak. Car. Alright, slow down. That was terrifying. Ooh, little garden. That's not a garden. Alright. Hold on. We're taking the back way, because I like this place. It's cool. What the frick just? Oh, it's America. Okay. We're gonna go this way. Yes. All right. I'm gonna cut when I'm over there. This is not the quaintest little area. What am I hearing? That's around this corner. Nothing. That's what I'm hearing. All right. Cool. No parking. Oh shoot. Oh. Nice, nice. Oh, the train. We're not gonna enter, guys. Calm down, calm down. We're gonna go along here. Look at how cool these buildings are. It's so cool. Like, so cool. Oh shoot, I was supposed to go that way. Oopsie. We're gonna go this way then. It is 3. No, wait. Wait, it's almost 4:15. Cool, we're good. Alright. I want to show this to you guys. This guy is, this is cool. This is cool. First of all, fountain. Oh yeah. Yeah, boys. Oh. Look at this little, wait, hold on, there's a big old ridge right here. This cool little thing. Cool. But the big boy is over here. I'm gonna go to it right now. Look at this. Guys, look. There she is. The San Gabriel Mist. Oh yeah. In all its majesty. Alright, cool. Now I'm gonna go over there. This is gonna be our 3rd location. Yeah, our 3rd. Hold on, I gotta wait till this one passes. And go. Go. We're good. Alright. 3rd location. This is a cool one. Alright. Now looky here at the birdie. Alright. How do I get up over there? Oh, there's a thing over there. I want to go on the seal. Look at the seals. Gets my seal of approval. But I'm crash. What's up? Look at the little dolphin. This is cool. I want to go over there though. Let's go. What is this? Is this supposed to be a slide? That's freaking epic. Let's go over here though. Let's go sit and chill. Dang. Little hideaway. You know, sometimes I just wonder how many limes could a gorilla fit in its mouth? Alright, anyway. What in the... There goes Hercules. Alright. I think it's time that we get going again. So now I gotta go all the way back to... Oh, there's a balloon! No, balloon! Home sweet home. Yeah. Alright, let's put her back. But first, I'm gonna get under here. Come on, then. And home sweet home. Well, that was fun. Alright. Well, that was cool. I think that's all. Move, please. I think that's all. So, see ya.